I don't know. I wrote the music for this band called Bad Livers. I don't know if you ever heard of that band. We used to come here and play sometimes. Stuff like that. We played on the street here more than we played in clubs, I think. I wrote this song about them. We used to change our name and play under different names so we could practice, as though we had to do that or something, like we were the Beatles or something. We had to do that. We did that anyway, just because we could. And we made up this name called the Sawdust Boogers, and we used to play under that name. So I made up a song called the Sawdust Boogers, and in this song, it's like this little band that you might hear on the street or something, and everyone that heard this band felt really good, and they were really happy. Sawdust boogers hit your town, all the people gonna gather round to lay down those burdens for a while. Neath the lantern light with them stars shining brightly like the smile of my grandma when she sang. When the music starts to play, carrying all the folks away from the burdens that life will heap upon. But you have, without a doubt, left me here and hanging out. When the skies are gray, let the sawdust boogers play. Every time I'm feeling down, baby, the boogers come to town. Neon light shining till the dawn. With your hand in mine, little darling, anytime that the skies are gray, let the sawdust boogers play. When the music starts to play, carrying all the folks away from the burdens that life will heap on. But you have, without a doubt, left me here and hanging out. When the skies are gray, let the sawdust boogers play. For you to be a guitar picking man. The Legend of the Sawdust Boogers.